Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Today I am going to make broccoli and potato recipe. You can see, first of all I am frying the broccoli and the potato. Then I will make the curry. This is almost fried. Now I'll take this out from the karai. Friends, I have fried up the broccoli and potato. I took it out. Now in the same oil, you can see this oil is very less. I will put some more mustard oil and then make the curry. So I have put in the mustard oil. I will let the oil turn little hot. I have cut up one onion and I have taken some bay leaves. I will put this bay leaf in and put in the cut up onions. I will let the onions turn brown. Friends, the onions are turned brown. You can see. This is the masala which I am going to put. This is ginger, garlic and some onions. I have made it into a paste. This I will put in now. Friends, now I will add some turmeric powder. This is the turmeric powder. Some chili powder. Some jeera powder. I will let the masala turn brown. Friends, the masala is turning brown. You can see. I have cut up 2 tomatoes. This I will put in. I am putting some peas. Friends, now I will put in the potato and the fried broccoli. Mix it well. Put some salt to taste. And I will mix it nicely. Friends, the vegetables are mixed up nicely. Now I will put in some water. I am putting the water now. Now I will add some chicken masala because this will give it a nice taste. If you all can put the chicken masala, it will be better, or skip it off. Now I will cover it and let this curry cook. Friends, the broccoli curry is ready. It's ready. I hope you all will like it. If you are new to my channel, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.